Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Sinullah92. Today my video topic is about how to clean your window AC at your home. So this is the window AC I remove from the cover. So now see how dirty this cooling coil is because there is no filter in that AC. So I recommend you must clean your filter every 2 weeks. So this is the window AC, which is, you can see from inside how dirty this is from inside, because a long time this is not clean. I'm changing another AC, that's why I am going to clean this one. So this you can see very dirty from inside. So this is the motor of the window AC. First you need to cover this with the some cover, some plastic cover. So see, I cover like this, cover it well, then no water will go inside when you are cleaning. If water go inside, it will damage your motor, so take care about your motor. And this side is our panel, electric panel of the window AC. All electricity cables are here, so you can put something down in this panel. The water will not come in that area. So when you clean this, the water will go to the other side. So make a slope from one side. So this is for the slope. So now we this is the drain. You check the drain is open, clean the drain, keep the cable of the window AC inside the blower position, so not the water will not come to this. So first for this you need one and remove this thermostat from that area to easily clean your cooling coil. So first you need one small toothbrush for cleaning this dirt. See how we can clean this dirt with the toothbrush. It's very easy to clean with the toothbrush. Why I'm using this toothbrush? Because there are small fins. If you use some big thing, the fins will be damaged. So to take care about the fins of the window AC, the cooling coil fins, use this small brush. It will easily clean that area. So just use this toothbrush to clean first. If you put water, directly implement water on the cooling coil, it will not clean easily. It will stuck inside the coil. The dirt all will be stuck inside, and it will be very difficult to remove this dirt from the cooling coil. You can see this how dirty this is. So you first remove this dirt from the cooling coil. So let's see, we can clean this, and after this we will start we will implement this water on the cooling coil. Now start cleaning with the water. This water pressure is not more, but I'm using this more than enough to clean this. You can see this after implementing water, you can see the difference. The downside is still dirty, but the upper coils are looks clean, visible, more visible than the downward. The downward you can see here dirty, but the upside is clean. So this is the difference. So when this will be clean, this we can say in the, you can see this from the close, this is clean now, and the downside is still dirty. You can see so much dirt inside. With the water you can see how clean this is. The air will circulate very easily if this coil is clean, and the cooling of your room is very good after this. So you clean this, if you clean it in every 6 months or before the start of summer season, it will be very good. So you must clean your window AC before the summer starting. In winter also you clean this, because sometimes we are using the heaters in the winter season, so we also need to clean this in the winter season. So it's best to clean every 6 months. This is the condenser coil of the window AC. So we also need to clean this condenser fan also, condenser coil also. This is the heating coil of the, you can also say the heating coil of the window AC. The system is all same, but some are window AC, some are split AC. So you need to clean this with water. If you have a good pressure of water, then it's very good, but I don't have the good pressure of water here today. I don't know what happened to the water pressure, otherwise this is very good. That's why I clean here. I have a water pressure pump, but I didn't use that one. So if you have water pressure pump, or you can take it out to the car wash station, it's also good. They have a good pressure in there in the car wash station, but sometimes they will damage your AC also. Sometimes more pressure damage your AC with the leak. If some pipe is leak, these capillaries you can see when they implement water pressure on this, the leak will come in your AC and the freon will go out. And they are not using safety for this. As I use plastic on the motor, they are not using this plastic on the motors. You can see now it's clean from inside also. You can see step by step. You can clean it all step by step. First cooling coil, then heating coil. All the dirt will come in the downside, then you can at the end from inside. So this is the window AC I clean. This is very neat and clean now. So I will put it in the box again back and connect it, and then start it again. Put the thermostat on this position back here. This for the temperature, cooling room temperature sensor, which cut off the compressor of your unit. So this I will start it now again. First, what you can do after starting, put this on the fan, only fan. So this fan side, this is only fan. First put the AC on the fan. After installing, let the unit is dry with the air, and then after some time, after 5 minutes, you can put it on the cooling mode again. This is now working on the fan only, and after that, when you put it on the cooling, you will feel the more cooling from inside. Now I put this on the cooling mode. You can see after fan, I put this on the cooling mode, and then low cool and high cool. Put it on the high cool. Let it will work very good for sure. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.